What's up, my builders? Welcome back. I know it's been a minute since I've made any RC car content, but this is a new project, newish project. This is my nod to Danny Hoon. He did a similar build that I'm doing on this one. This is your Losi drag car roller chassis with an axial bomber cage on top. But not just the cage, I also added a Arma rear wing. I used the stock wheelie bar that came with the rolling chassis, the drag chassis, to make a wing mount. Not sure which Arma this wing is from. If you guys know, you can comment down below. Yeah, so I took the stock wheelie bar from the rolling chassis and just flipped it up, and there's a mount right back here that helps hold the wheelie bar in place for drag racing. So I just used a shortened grub screw and just now I'm using that to hold it in place, at least that to the chassis. Then I went ahead to use these. I think this is a 100mm link on either side, and that goes straight to the bomber chassis. Right now there's no electronics. I'm probably gonna just go with the same stock electronics, Spectrum electronics that come with the Losi drag cars. I forget what the specs are on that. Yeah, so they have the battery. They have the battery right down here in the bottom of the chassis, the tub chassis. But I think I'm gonna try and make it work up here for like the bombers have it, just to get that more forward bias, I guess. So I'm not pulling wheelies like all the time. Right now I have these 1.9 wheels. They're just regular, China brand, whatever wheels. Anyway, these are gonna be on a build I started a long time ago, which never finished. Was gonna be like a pre-runner type truck, but that never came about. But I did make these tires, and these tires are 4.75 BF Goodrich tires, but inside is another tire, a 465 tire with hard foams inside. So they're not like super squishy like your rock colored R's usually are. These are a little bit more sturdy, I guess you'd say, because there's 2 tires on each wheel. I don't think I'm gonna be keeping these tires, but for now they look pretty cool. I think maybe, I don't know, maybe something from J Concepts or something like that. But to keep the bomber chassis onto the Losi drag car chassis, It is hugged here at the bottom. Let me show you that real quick. You can kind of see how these are wrapped around the bottom of the chassis. But that's not the only way it's being held onto. The Lozi drag chassis has mounts for bodies. So I used the rear one and just stuck it through the bomber chassis, and then the front I also, this piece is covering this part of the bomber chassis, so it's kind of just holding that in place. It's pretty sturdy, as you can see. Yeah, I'm not sure exactly what body I'll be going with. I'm kind of leaning toward the stock bomber panels, only because this might be more of a comic book themed build. If you guys can guess what it may be as far as like comic book theme, put down in the comments. Maybe your guess will be correct. What else to talk about this car? Probably putting in different shocks just for more travel. I want this to be a go fast type off-road vehicle, on and off-road vehicle, I guess you say. What else? Yeah, like I said, wheels and tires probably be changed. Shocks. That's probably it about it right now. Yeah, well, so thank you all for checking out the video. Thank you for watching if you made it this far. I hope to be coming out more content. Also, I want to be doing more Land Cruiser stuff, only because I've been recently doing some modifications to my Land Cruiser. So just keep an eye out for that. If you guys please would like, subscribe, comment, all the good stuff. Thanks guys for watching, and I'll see you next time. God bless.